future manager is the right term. Future managers are the need of the society, the need of the corporates. Faculties build the institution. Alumni build the institution. So these are 2,500 networks you can create while you are studying here. Who are alumni? Alumni are a pass out of a particular college working in the industry.
Hello, sir. We are the students of IBS Mumbai, and it's a pleasure to have you with us today. We would like to ask a few questions to help us grow into better managers.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Sir, the first question is, how does your experience, can you share your journey to becoming the Vice President of Marketing at ICFI Business School?
Yeah, it is a long journey. I think it is a journey we started in 2002. I passed out and then I was recruited here. We were 14 people, and over the last around 22 years, I have seen a team growth with 14 people that time, presence in almost 7 cities. Now we are present in almost 74 branches, almost 30 base cities, almost 100 cities in the country we are present as a IBS marketing information team, and taken around 10 promotions during last 22 years. Working hard with the team, going to the source, which is the UG colleges in the country, directly talking to the students, telling them about their career options, telling them about the competition which is available in the market with respect to management education, the examinations which are available in the country, their questions whichever they was asking at that point of time. So that journey looks like a roller coaster, but since it is coming along with the growth, both personal growth and the organizational growth, it is satisfying.
Thank you, sir, for your answer. There's another question that stems from your answer, is that what qualities do you think should be there in the future managers of today, and how should the future manager look for the right business school?
Yeah, future manager is the right term. Future managers are the need of the society, the need of the corporates. And there was a time while our parents used to complete their graduations and they were settled in their career. A person doing BCom can be hired by a bank. A person doing maybe engineering were becoming engineers in a firm. But now the case is not the same. While we are going forward, we have to address the competition. We have to assess what is our capability, what are the learnings we are getting out of a B school. So in a nutshell, if I have to tell you how to choose a B school and become future managers, is do not go step by step in a way that I will go in a best infrastructure B school first, because that should be a little lesser in priority. You should be noticing which institution is having good faculties. Faculties build the institution. Alumni build the institution. The kind of curriculum which an institution is following, that builds an institution. And obviously, with the investment which you are going to make, you are also contemplating the return on investment criteria. So return on investment obviously has to be thought that it is a career you are getting here for your life. It is not that you are earning maybe a 9 lakh or a 10 lakh average package to start with and it is ending here. No, for the next around 30-35 years you are going to earn, and every step you will be challenged by the competition which is outside, and every step you will be understanding what you have learned in a B school is helping you. So a college which is giving you knowledge, a college which is giving you good faculty support, a college which is giving you alumni in the industry who are ready to handhold you, I think those should be your first priorities. And obviously infrastructure will come. You will sit in one chair, you will see one board, you will need one class teacher for that particular lecture. You will not take it with you after you pass out. It will be with the college. So infrastructure is there only for 2 years, but the remaining life you will be utilizing the knowledge and the network which you are creating in a college. So like in IBS Mumbai here, I think you are having almost 2,500 students, both senior and junior batches. So these are 2,500 networks you can create while you are studying here. Just imagine how they are going to help you in future.
Sir, in your answer, you emphasized about alumni relations.
Yeah.
Can you help us with how important are these alumni relations specifically for our students who would like to pursue at IBS Mumbai, and for us currently pursuing their future journeys and their current journeys at IBS Mumbai?
I should say it is most important, because who are alumni? Alumni are a pass out of a particular college working in the industry, and the industry itself is having people working from all the probably the B schools and the other colleges. If you are in touch with them as early as your first years and the second years, not while you are opting for a company, I'm sure you will get to know their journey, the requirement which a company is having for that particular post. Just for example, if you're shortlisting a company X and you are targeting a particular alumni or some of the alumni from that company on LinkedIn, just think in a way that they are going to give you all the information which is required for preparation of the interview, for knowing the culture of a company, for knowing the requirement of the company, and you will be pre-prepared while you are sitting in front of the interviewer. So the alumni are not only helping here, they are also handholding you in your journey while you are studying. Like here in IBS Mumbai, I think you are also having the buddy system, the alumni coming and handholding you for your SIPs. They are on various forums preparing you for the interviews while you are going for the final placements. They play a major role. And I was just interacting with the students yesterday. So most of them were saying that the final push which we got for choosing IBS as one of their option is because my brother has passed out, my friend has passed out, some of the other alumni. So this is where the alumni, they are playing their role very strongly, and for any institution, not for us. And just to tell you that IBS is having one of the largest alumni base in the country as far as B schools are concerned. And we are one of the youngest B schools, only 29 years young, with 70,000 plus alumni. So they are going to be there for you.
Yes, sir. So it's a big thank you to the great alumni system that we have today for making our journey so easy. And another question is, what skills do you expect to see in a budding manager? What skills and courses would you like them to pursue or have in them before they enter the B school? And also, what skill development do you want to see when they are passing out from the B school?
I think first and foremost, obviously, is the communication, the soft skills. If you're not able to communicate whatever you know, even if you are the 10-pointer, you might find it difficult to enter into a desired or a dream company. At the same time, the time is changing. It is a time of AI MLs, it is time of chatbots, it is a time of superbots. So you should be focusing what kind of technologies are being used by the companies, the kind of job roles which you are going to go into. It is not only the theory part which is important now, it is more of a technical upgradation of a particular person. It is more about learning from the faculties, learning from the seniors, and understanding the market requirement. So if you have to choose a sector where you are going to work, first is a sector, then you go to the particular company of that sector, then you go to the particular department of that sector. You have to do a little more research. So a inquisitive bent of mind is needed for a particular management graduate or a person who is pursuing management, and the zeal to learn, because we are having almost 700 days spending in a particular campus. You can utilize your 700 days in understanding that this is going to give me crores and crores of income and happiness in the next 30-35 years of my career. Or you can utilize your 700 days in a way where I will be spending this amount of time only for outside the college networking, and maybe, so it is depending on a student to student. If you're utilizing your time correctly, because time is important while you're studying. So this is a suggestion I would like to give. Be a little more inquisitive, value technology, and look for the future.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. That was all from our end. Thank you for your time. It was a pleasure having you with us. And we hope that your session here, this interview, helps us and the budding future managers coming into our B schools. And I hope they have a great time.
They will certainly have, because as students, once you are taking such kind of initiatives, this is going to help the people who are shortlisting B schools. And I'm expecting people who are willing to go into a management colleges aim for the top 25,000 seats in the country. That is where, what I say everywhere, this is where your dreams will start, and it will take you to the next level while you're working hard in the corporates. And believe me, corporates are there to help you. They want people who are having a clear understanding of what is required out of a role which they are hired for. And since our alumni are there, you will be a little more on a positive side or a beneficial side while IBS alumni are helping you there. Thank you for talking to me.
Thank you, sir.
And all the best to your entire team which is here, and all the IBS Mumbai students.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.